Hi girls, it's me, Carmen Moon. We are going to be making a delicious and fabulous hummingbird cake with Philadelphia cream cheese. So let's get started. Girls, we're going to start with our cake with 3 eggs, whole eggs. To that, we're going to add 1 cup of light brown sugar and 1 cup of granulated sugar, white sugar. We're gonna beat that here on our machine. We're gonna mix everything, the 3 eggs with the 1 cup of sugar, the 1 cup of light brown sugar. We're gonna blend this onto a slightly fluffy, lightly texture. Okay, now we're gonna add 1 cup of vegetable oil. Now that everything is blended, I got right here 1 cup of crushed pineapple. Crushed pineapple. Girls, we are going to use 2 cups of mashed ripe bananas. 2 cups. Have to be very ripe. And this is how you do it. You're going to cut your banana just like that. And this is the way you're going to be mashing with a fork, like this. Can you see? Just like that. Very mashy, 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 mashy. Once you got all of that, I have to say this recipe, it's my husband's favorite cake. This is his favorite cake ever. When I met him, I asked him what was his favorite cake. And he told me, hummingbird cake. And I'm like, hummingbird cake? I never heard that before, I'm sorry. But I learned it 5 years ago how to make it. So we got right here our 2 cups of ripe bananas. Very mashing, mashing, mashing. You see like that? We're going to add this right here on our mix. Girls, I got right here 3 cups of all-purpose flour. To that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Cinnamon. We got the cinnamon and we got the baking soda. And 1 teaspoon of salt. And we are going to raise it. Girls, do you know that where actually hummingbird cake come from? From the South. For a man named it Mr. Wiggy, I think it was, in 1978. And my husband's grandmother, she used to make this cake for him for his birthday, since he born. So he made me make this recipe when I met him. He know I love to bake, so he know I was going to make this cake very good. So I did it, girls, and I have to, you know, share this with you guys. Okay, so I forgot to add my 2 teaspoons of vanilla, pure vanilla, to my mix before I add my my flour mix. And let's blend this a little bit here. And I'm making this cake too in memory of Mary Moon. She was that was his grandmother. She's not with us, she's in heaven, but I know she's washing. So I'm gonna start adding my flour now on the mix, just like this. Flour on our mixture, just like that, until is everything completely mixed. It's mixing. We're gonna add 1 cup of pecan or walnut, your, you know, option, whatever you like. You don't have to add the walnuts or pecan in case you are allergic. But hummingbird cake without walnuts or pecan? I don't think so. Oh well, this is done. Girls, I love to bake, and I actually want to bake my hummingbird cake in a very tall pan. I actually don't have that one. My husband is military, we are travel a lot, and I mix a bunch of my stuff. But it's not gonna stop me not to bake or cook, girls. I start looking whatever I have. So where I'm going to bake, it's on my pan. In my pan, my pot. What I did, I just take the hanger out. I screw it up, take it out, and there you go. I grease it inside, flour, and ready to go, girls. So now we got right here. We got everything. Good. This is the consistency right here. Now we're ready to put on my pan. Okay, completely there. I already have my oven preheat at 350 degrees. So make sure you have everything set up before you start baking. And it's ready to go to the oven. See you in a few minutes. Girls, who's the star here again? Philadelphia cream cheese. And we are now going to make the butter creamy, tasty cream cheese frosting for this recipe. Hummingbird cake without that frosting, I don't think so. We're going to start making, we're going to start using 2 8-ounces of our cream cheese. So you need 2. So we're going to add a lot. 2 sticks of butter. Love butter. Love butter. We're gonna mix this together until we mix everything fine. Just like this. To that, we have to add 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla. Not extra. Pure. Girls, for this recipe you're going to need 2 8-ounces of cream cheese, 2 sticks of butter, and 9 cups of powdered sugar. We're gonna keep mixing this. Girls, this is the perfect texture for the cream cheese filling. You see? So good. You know, try it. Oh, girls, I wish you could be here and smell. It smells so delicious, so good. Right now, I'm adding my cream cheese frosting on my bag. So when my cake come out, start ready. And wait a few minutes and start with my decoration. Hey y'all, now my cake is done. So now I'm going to turn this upside down, just like that. And there you go. Nothing there. Perfect. Alright girls, now I'm gonna start sliding my cake. And you're gonna slide it how many slices you want. Now I slice my cake in 4 pieces, and our next step, we're going to take the cream cheese frosting and we're going to spread it all around, just like this. Take all the eggs, or some more walnuts or pecan, whatever you like. And we're going to keep doing this over and over until you finish the top. Final step, this is our result of our hummingbird cake. So hope you try it, you're gonna love it, and this is it. So hope you like it. Thank you, Paula Deen, Philadelphia cream cheese. All the girls out there, welcome again to my kitchen. So from my kitchen to yours.